FTMO bans all new US traders. Now, what does this mean for us? Well, earlier today, I seen this tweet, and basically this is from someone on Twitter called the Prop Firm Journal. You guys can follow them if you want. It basically just kind of gives updates and notifications for kind of what's going on in the prop space. But this is definitely a major red flag. So the fact that FTMO has now just banned US customers to buy any new challenges makes you wonder, like, what's going on in the space. Is something, kind of coming on the horizon that we can't see or don't know about? Are other prop firms going to be shutting down? We know MFF, My Forex Funds, was shut down last year. Is this the start of something that's basically going to carry into 2024? Are we going to lose access to all these different prop firms and the amount of funding that we have the ability to get today? I sure hope we don't, but this is definitely kind of crazy times because you don't really know what's going on. So I wanted to go into my FTMO account and see if this was legit and kind of what's going on. And I logged in. I went to, basically there's no option even to start a challenge from the client area anymore. So I came to this section, which is like some premium thing. I click start FTMO challenge, and basically it gives me an error. Access invalid or prohibited. So this is pretty crazy because, I got affected by the My Forex Fund stuff last year. I lost a funded account. Ironically, I purchased another challenge account the day they shut down. And it's pretty crazy how it all went down because, long story short, any challenge I've bought from My Forex Funds in the past, I've always paid with like a debit or credit card. Now, this one day, their payment processor was down. So I had to send them crypto. I sent them crypto. And basically they shut down later that day. So I wasn't able to get my refund back or, dispute the charge or anything like that. So I was basically out the whole cost of the challenge plus the funded account that I had with them. So hoping that's not the case with like FTMO and some of these other big name firms as well, but definitely pretty crazy. Wasn't really expecting this. And now this has me a little bit more kind of on edge for, my plan for 2024, which, not to go too in detail because I am going to create another video on this, but this is one of the reasons I've shifted over primarily to futures prop firms, right? Like Top Step and some of these other ones. But in my opinion, I would only recommend Top Step at this point in time. It's just not in a gray area like some of these Forex prop firms for US clients. So definitely getting a little sketchy. Hopefully nothing crazy comes. I'll try to keep you guys updated as I see more on this, but let me know in the comments below, do you have an FTMO funded account right now? Where are you based out of? Are you in the US? Have you heard anything? Do you know what's going on? Would love to kind of, create some sort of community in the comments to try to figure out what's going on and kind of what we should expect from here. So I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully everyone's doing well, and I'll talk to you guys soon.